Oh my god, finally figured it out. Okay, boys. Not gonna lie, I'm sick as fuck. But I did want to show y'all this. If you're on my Snapchat, I'm sure you already saw this shit. But we did chart this a few days ago. It's called an ascending broadening wedge. Okay. Right here, in 60% of cases, an ascending broadening wedge's price objective is achieved when the support line is broken. I will always take 60% on. It's just about always. So yeah, ascending broadening wedge. Also, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but the top of the wedge is going to be a little bit steeper ascending. The bottom, it's going to be a little bit more broad. You know, it's not going up as much, which is pretty damn obvious. Right here, if this wouldn't have dropped, I don't know what caused this, but if this wouldn't have fell down here, I mean, it would have just been a regular fucking wedge. It would have had this W pattern, this double bottom, which would have been, I mean, really bullish as well. You know, but, I mean, we still fucking broke through to the upside. Right here, there's definite resistance. I mean, as you can see, got rejected, came down, got rejected, came down. That formed the double bottom, and that was kind of a sign for me that, okay, we're about to break through the upside. Then we broke through the support. As you can see, that little red candle bounced off of that straight to the upside. Now we are kind of being a little stagnant, stalling out right now. But, I mean, I still think we are, I mean, looking very bullish for Cardano. If you're wondering what this line is, this is the price target for Cardano after breaking through the upside, which is about $2.60. And you get that just by, you take your line, and then you would just go to the bottom of the trend line. See, I already did this. I was actually showing my girlfriend how to do all this shit. But yeah, so you take from the bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge, and you gotta straighten your shit out. And then you just come up here, and then that's your price target, which is kind of cool. But yeah, also, I mean, I charted this for a few months, this ascending triangle. I mean, obviously a few months. We're in one day candlesticks. Look at this consolidation, man. I mean, this is one reason why I'm so bullish on Cardano, besides the fact that it, you know, it's a 7,000% increase since last March, which is fucking absurd. But yeah, just consolidated. I mean, bounced off, fell through right here. Whole market dumped right here. I'm just gonna guess that was whales or something. Came back through in this little apex area. Bounced off right here. Not that that really matters. But I mean, I guess it does, because when you go to 4 hour, I mean, that caused this ascending broadening wedge, which did ultimately cause us to break out. And yeah, as I said before, the technical target is like $2.60. I think you could definitely see Cardano at 280 or 3 or 4, etc. Because I mean, if y'all haven't seen this shit, which I don't know how the fuck you wouldn't have seen this, to be honest with you, if you haven't seen it yet somehow though. The shit Elon tweeted out. Pause that if you want to read it, or just go to his fucking Twitter. But yeah, I guess we can take a quick look at Ethereum, but I'm about to go fucking lay down. Yeah, so we obviously have support here. This looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Didn't really turn out like a head and shoulders pattern should, I don't think. Kind of fell to the downside, but yeah, I mean, the volume doesn't look too crazy. I didn't even look at Cardano. Yeah, the volume doesn't look too crazy, especially when you look at this. I guess we look at Bitcoin. I think they literally changed it to XBT as like the ticker price a few days ago, because I couldn't even fucking find Bitcoin to USD. Oh, excuse me, dude. Fuck it, I don't see it. But either way, that was the video. Super quick, 4 minutes. I'm trying to do this YouTube thing. The last one was filmed on a fucking my iPhone. So, anyways, yeah. I'll see y'all later. Best of luck to all y'all.